Hello everyone, bloggers, business owners and entrepreneurs. If you're planning to host your website with Hostinger, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share two different Hostinger coupon codes with you. The first one is my exclusive Hostinger referral discount code, which gives you a straight 20% off on any hosting plan. The second option is the standard coupon code HN10, which only provides 10% discount, is available in the description box below. I've arranged the links country-wise in ascending order along with their local language and currency for your convenience. Simply click on your country's link and you will be taken directly to the official Hostinger website. Once you're on the site, click on Products and Services in the top navigation bar. Here you will find all of Hostinger's hosting plans and services. My 20% referral discount works on every single plan for this demo. I'll go with web hosting, click on it and you'll see all the available options. I'm choosing the business web hosting plan for this example. When you proceed to checkout, you will notice that the 20% discount has been applied automatically. No need to enter any code manually. It's that simple. One important tip, always use a fresh email address that hasn't been registered with Hostinger before to ensure the discount works smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more genuine coupon codes and hosting deals. Thanks for watching and enjoy your 20% savings on Hostinger.